What's up YouTube? So it's going to be a quick little video. Try to record as much as I can. But we're going to be doing ribs. Let me see if I can get a good video. So I went ahead and marinated them with a couple seasonings, just like cayenne pepper. This is Davion. Cayenne pepper, paprika, Old Bay seasoning, a little pepper. You know, just pretty much just whatever you feel like you always season your meat, what you just do with that. What I'm gonna do is cut these up a little more so it can fit. I'm gonna put the meat inside of this. This is Coke, and we actually use little Dr. Pepper. Yeah, we don't have a tenderizer, so I just pretty much do this. So when you make the meat, it's like, let's cut.
Wash your fingers. Kids, do not try this at home.
Yeah. Have your parents do this part if you were kids?
Freak out.
Or you can put your hand like this. Alright, let's see. So I'm gonna try to, hopefully this fits in this one. Do you think it'll fit?
If it does.
Should I just look tingle like this? Oh, look. Perfect. Sorry guys, Davion's recording. It's not my best work.
Yeah.
Alright, we're gonna put foil on top of this, and then we're gonna pop it in the oven for an hour. I'm going to show you guys how to take it out, and then after I take it out after the hour, I'm going to add barbecue sauce on it and then put it back in for another 30 minutes, and then it should be done. I'm also going to make potatoes while I'm at it, so I'm going to add a little salt to the water, so add a little olive oil. So I always clean off my potatoes before I put them in the water, and then I also put little holes in it. It makes it boil faster.
Time to flip.
Okay, so now we're going to add the barbecue sauce. You see we poured out a lot of the liquid. Put out, we just left a little bit in there, just so I'm burning at the bottom. I'm going to pour a little more out of this. I'm going to add the barbecue sauce, cook it for another 30 minutes, and then you should be good. Show you the final results after. So we just use Sweet Baby Ray, whatever is your preference. We're actually probably going to go with honey. We got Davion working on the potatoes. Oh my gosh, I should have peeled those. It's okay. You like to skip, huh? And then so we put some barbecue sauce on here, and this is the baked beans. I just put some brown sugar, some butter, and some barbecue sauce. So here is the finished product. Woo! We got the mashed potatoes, the ribs, and then the baked beans here. that is it, you guys. Hopefully you enjoyed our video. And we're about to eat finally. Hopefully Kaylen lets us eat, and we'll see you guys later.
Girl, you know, make ribs like this. Don't worry, I'll wait.
Bye.